So it's a new day, and we got the intake off and the distributor off. So we are going to pull the timing cover, the timing belt, and remove the camshaft. See if we can get it to spin, because that seems like the goal that we've been trying to achieve, just to see if we can get it to spin. And then we're going to probably take everything apart and then take this block to get it machined and bored, and then hopefully we'll start the build process.
It's Mashed Throttle, driving fast, taking control. Whoa, yeah.
Alright, so we're going to pull the harmonic balancer. We believe this is the best way for the tools that we have right now. It's just a slide hammer attached to 2 bolts because I couldn't get it to the 3rd bolt. So hopefully it comes out okay. We're going to pull this out and then we can get to the timing cover. Alright, so we had a change of plans. We were going to pull the harmonic balancer, didn't have the correct tools, and it did not want to budge. So we just went ahead and removed all the pistons, which now it spins great. So we removed all the pistons. Now we're going to remove all the end caps. We're going to pull the crank and then pull the harmonic balancer with it. So we'll have to undo all these, and hopefully we can pull it, kind of dip it, take the chain off, and then out, I think. We'll see. I hope that works. Yeah, it's not the correct way. You should want to pull this, but this wasn't budging, and we don't plan on reusing the crank anyways. got the timing cover off, and then we have the crank completely apart. If I can lift it up. Should just slip right out. So it's getting caught on the chain like I thought. I was hoping to kind of pick it up, dip it down off the cam, but I don't think that's going to happen. Yeah, I might need 2 people to pick this up, or get the correct puller, which would be the right thing to do. Removing the harmonic balancer, I went ahead and we got the right puller for it. Instead of using the whole other bearing puller that I had, we got the right puller. We're going to pull this and then pull the timing cover off, pull the timing chain out, and then hopefully get the cam out, and then we'll get the crankshaft out. Harmonic balancer off. I'm going to go ahead and just pull this off. Alright, so I got all the cam bolts loose. It should just come right out now. These are 13. I just had to hold the crank in place. Before I remove that, I'm going to remove that crank bolt, just so that's not stuck in there. Let's remove that real quick. And now we can see the cam. Trying to see. Doesn't look like an aftermarket cam, but it looks like it'll pull right out. So let's see if we can get some bolts in there. I don't know if these are going to work. We're going to pull these out and try to be real gentle with it. She's out. Alright, so I thought I pressed play, but the cam's out, or the crank's out, crank bearings are out, and the engine's fully disassembled, minus maybe removing the freeze plugs out and the cam bearings, or the crank bearings. Other than that, it's pretty much ready to go to the machine shop now. Bring it up to get a little tension on it, and then I can undo all these. Hold on, hold on. Drop it down. Go ahead. All right, down. Down. Okay, that's fine. Do you remember what the bolt was? I think I'm 14. Yeah, 14. Oh, that's gonna. You wanna pull tension on it? Cause that just hit me. That's when that comes loose. We're good. I was like, it just hit me. When that comes loose, it's gonna swing. Okay. You wanna come up with it? Okay. Oh gosh. All right, hold on. No. We need tension. That probably wasn't like the smartest thing, but we got it. All right, so that's going to be a wrap on the big block content for now. We dropped it off at C&M Engineering today, and I wanted to film it, but I decided, you know what, I don't know the people that own the shop, and I don't have any rapport with them, so I'm going to get to know them. Hopefully, eventually, I'll start filming. The shop is really cool. They do a lot of, I believe it's funny car racing, down in Indianapolis, and it seems like they do a lot of good work. So hopefully we'll be getting the big block back, ready to build. Well, actually, not hopefully, we will. Unfortunately, we will not be getting the big block back till December, January timeframe, which works out because I'll be going to school, but kind of sucks because it'll be a long time till we get content. But that gives us time to order parts, spec like the camshaft, and kind of just get all the ducks in order for us to get the build ready. So when I get back from school in December, we should be able to hit the ground running with some really good big block content. Next week, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a differential in the E30, and I'll have a video out on that, and then a couple other videos of E30 of the BMW before I head out to school. And then while I'm away at school, there might be some more content with another engine coming to the channel. Could be for the BMW, might not be, I don't know yet. But at least we'll have an engine kind of to mess around with, learn. I'm not going to be doing a full rebuild, but I'm going to freshen it up and maybe get a couple horsepower out of it. And that'll be fun to do while I'm at school. So, subscribe, hit the bell notification, comment, like, let me know what you guys think, and I'd love to hear from you.
Thunder roll. It's Mashed Throttle, driving fast, taking control.